This is WENY News at 11.
Good evening, and thank you for joining us for WENY News at 11. I'm Nicholas Phillips. Well, a robotics team out of Watkins Glen is putting their knowledge and resources to good use after all of their competitions for the rest of the year have been canceled. WENY's Christina Episcopo spoke with group members to find out what they are making with their 3D printers.
The Finger Lakes Area Robotics Education Group is taking their 3D printers and putting them to work since all of their competitions have been canceled.
Since a lot of us are, home and we want to, help out any way that we can, we are using our 3D printers and some other skills to actually help manufacture and create personal protective equipment for, either anyone that wants them or mostly like medical professionals, in the field working.
Some of the group members have 3D printers at their homes, so they are able to keep production going almost 24/7.
So we actually have 2 printers going currently, and they work. So in the daytime, they print these single shields so that we can get a better resolution on them in the back where the sweat tray is, and so it'll give a higher print quality.
The group sponsors such as Cargill have donated the materials and funds to help the group keep up production and then get the shields out to those who need them.
Yeah, we donate them to the hospitals and pretty much wherever they need to go. Down in New York City, we've been giving them a lot of them because it's very necessary down there. So pretty much wherever they need to go is where they're going.
Flair Robotics is also reaching out to teachers and or school staff for old overhead projector sheets to work as the plastic face shields. For more information about where you can donate these, head over to WENY.com and click on this story. For WENY News, I'm Christina Episcopo.